You might think that building wealth is only for those with big paychecks and fancy careers. But here's the reality. Many people who started with low incomes have managed to build serious wealth over time. It's not about how much you make, it's about how you use what you have. The surprising truth is, there are strategies anyone can use, no matter your income level, that can help you grow wealth. If you're living on a tight budget, but want to change your financial future, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll go over 5 surprising ways to build wealth, even if you're working with a low income. And trust me, these strategies aren't the typical cut out your coffee or skip eating out tips. These are practical and, more importantly, doable ways to change your financial situation. Ready to see how you can start building wealth, no matter your income? Let's get started. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. Coming in at number 5. Start a side hustle, but with a twist. You've probably heard people say, start a side hustle. But here's the twist. Don't just pick any random side gig. Find one that helps you learn a valuable skill while earning extra income. For example, freelance writing, graphic design, or even coding can be learned relatively cheaply online, and these skills are in high demand. The beauty here is that you're not only making extra money, but you're also learning something that can pay off in the long run. As you get better at your side hustle, you can increase your rates, or even use that skill to switch careers and increase your full-time income. It's like hitting 2 birds with 1 stone, boosting your income now, while setting yourself up for bigger paydays in the future. A lot of people working full-time jobs feel trapped by their low wages, but a well-chosen side hustle can open doors to more financial opportunities than you'd expect. So, think of a side hustle as not just a short-term fix, but a long-term wealth-building tool. Number 4. Leverage low-income assistance programs wisely. Here's something people don't often talk about. Many governments and nonprofits offer financial assistance programs to help low-income individuals build wealth. No, I'm not talking about taking handouts. This is about leveraging the support that's available to help you get ahead. For instance, some areas have matched savings programs where, if you save a certain amount, the government or a nonprofit will match it, sometimes dollar for dollar. These programs can be used to buy a home, start a business, or even invest in education, all of which are excellent paths to building wealth. Another example is utilizing free financial counseling services provided by nonprofits. These services can help you manage debt, create a budget, or figure out an investment strategy based on your low income. By using these resources, you're essentially getting free expert advice, which can help you make smarter decisions with the money you do have. Too many people shy away from these programs because they don't know about them or feel like they shouldn't use them. But the truth is, they exist to help people build a better future, and there's no shame in using them to your advantage. Number 3. Invest in dividend-paying stocks, even with little money. Now, I know what you're thinking. I barely have any money. How am I supposed to invest in the stock market? But here's the thing. You can start small with dividend-paying stocks. And the beauty of this strategy is that your money can grow over time, even without constant input from you. Dividend stocks pay out a portion of a company's earnings to shareholders on a regular basis. That means, even with a small investment, you can start earning passive income in the form of dividends. There are apps like Robinhood and Acorns that let you invest with as little as $5, and some dividend-paying stocks are quite affordable. Over time, as you reinvest those dividends and grow your portfolio, the power of compound interest kicks in. Your money begins to make money for you. And yes, this can take a few years to really grow, but even small, consistent investments can make a significant difference. It's a slow and steady path, but if you stick with it, dividend investing is a solid strategy for building wealth, even on a low income. Coming in at number 2, buy in bulk and sell for profit. Let's talk about a surprisingly effective way to build wealth on a low income: buying in bulk and selling for profit. At first glance, this might sound a bit unconventional, but hear me out, this method can be a game changer for your finances, and it doesn't require a lot of money to get started. The idea is pretty straightforward. Have you ever noticed how many products can be bought at a lower price when you buy them in larger quantities? Stores like Costco, Sam's Club, or even online retailers often offer bulk discounts. Think of items that are in high-demand household goods, snacks, or even seasonal items like holiday decorations. When you buy these in bulk, you pay less per unit, which sets you up perfectly to sell them at a profit. Imagine this. You buy a pack of 24 water bottles at a discount price, and then sell each bottle individually at a nearby event or through social media. Not only do you cover your initial investment, but you also make extra cash in the process. The beauty of this strategy is that it allows you to turn a small investment into a larger return, all while working with items that people are already eager to buy. But wait, there's more. You can also explore thrift stores, garage sales, or clearance sections for underpriced items. Many people have made a nice side income by flipping second-hand goods. For instance, you might find a set of vintage dishes for a great price and sell them online for much more. It's like treasure hunting, only instead of gold, you're uncovering hidden gems that can add to your wealth. This method doesn't just help you financially, it also teaches you valuable skills like negotiation, marketing, and inventory management. Plus, it's flexible. You can start with just a little bit of money and gradually grow your business as you learn the ropes. So, if you're looking for an engaging and practical way to build wealth on a low income, buying in bulk and selling for profit is definitely worth considering. It's a straightforward strategy that empowers you to take control of your finances while having fun in the process. And finally, number 1, invest in yourself. Coming in at number 1 is something that might surprise you. Investing in yourself is one of the most powerful ways to build wealth. And no, this doesn't mean you need to spend thousands on degrees or fancy courses. This is about acquiring skills and knowledge that directly increase your earning potential. In today's world, information is everywhere, often for free or at a low cost. Want to learn how to code? Platforms like Coursera, Udemy, or YouTube offer affordable courses. Interested in personal finance, marketing, or graphic design? The resources are just a few clicks away. By taking the time to develop new skills or deepen existing ones, you're setting yourself up to earn more in the long run. The best part? The return on this investment can be exponential. When you invest in learning, you're not just acquiring skills, you're building confidence, increasing your value in the job market, and even opening doors to entrepreneurial opportunities. People who take the time to invest in themselves often find that their income grows, sometimes dramatically, because they can offer more value. And remember, unlike material possessions or even stocks, no one can take your knowledge away from you. That's why investing in yourself is the ultimate wealth-building strategy. It's the gift that keeps on giving, and it can transform your financial future in ways you can't even imagine yet. So, there you have it, 5 surprising ways to build wealth on a low income. Whether it's choosing the right side hustle, leveraging resources like assistance programs, investing in dividend stocks, or flipping products for profit, these strategies show that you don't need a high salary to start growing your wealth. And most importantly, remember to invest in yourself, because the skills and knowledge you gain are invaluable. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more strategies to take control of your finances. With the right mindset and a few smart moves, anyone can build wealth even on a low income. Stay tuned for more.